Manipur today paid rich tributes to khongjom war heroes who valiantly fought against the British in the Anglo-Manipur War of 1891 at Khongjom War Memorial Complex, Thoubal District. Manipur Governor La Ganeshan, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh led the people in paying homage and led floral wreaths to the martyrs at the K Baching at Khongjom War Memorial Complex on the 131st Khongjom Day. Other councils of ministers, MLAs, top government and top police officials also paid homage to the Khongjom War heroes. Khongjom Day is observed every year on 23rd April to commemorate the brave sons of Manipur who made the supreme sacrifice defending her freedom. They also paid floral tributes to the statue of Praunabra Jabasi located at the foothills of K Baching before they offered tarpan at Khongjom River. A contingent of Manipur rifles sounded last post and a 2-minute silence was observed in honor of martyrs.